Hey everyone, welcome back to Health is Wealth. Today, I want to share 5 Mediterranean powerhouses that not only taste amazing, but make losing weight feel effortless. Imagine sitting down to a steaming bowl of lentil soup. Those tiny legumes pack a punch with 18 grams of protein and 16 grams of fiber per cup, keeping you full and energized. Whether you stir them into salads, blend them into dips, or simmer them in your favorite broth, lentils are the perfect way to satisfy your cravings without piling on the calories. Next on our list is Greek yogurt. This creamy, tangy staple is strained to boost its protein content, so a single 5.6-ounce serving delivers about 16 grams of muscle-supporting protein plus gut-loving probiotics. Start your morning with a bowl of plain Greek yogurt topped with fresh berries and a sprinkle of nuts, or blend it into a smoothie for a post-workout snack. Either way, it helps curb cravings and keeps your digestion on track. Let's talk chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans. They weave a double thread of protein and fiber that stabilize blood sugar and keep you feeling satisfied for hours. Roast them with your favorite spices for a crispy snack. Toss them into a vibrant salad or whirl them into homemade hummus. Every bite supports sustainable weight loss and adds that irresistible Mediterranean flair to your meals. Now don't underestimate the humble nut. Almonds, walnuts, pistachios, they're all rich in healthy fats, fiber, and protein, making them an ideal grab-and-go snack. Research shows that despite their fat content, nuts actually help prevent weight gain when enjoyed in moderation. Try a small handful between meals. Pulse them into pesto or top your oatmeal with chopped nuts for a satisfying crunch that keeps hunger at bay. Finally, let's load up on green leafy vegetables. Spinach, kale, Swiss chard, the true MVPs of the Mediterranean diet. They're virtually calorie-free but brimming with volume. Vitamins and those special compounds that support healthy insulin function. Blend a generous handful into your morning smoothie. Then with a little garlic or pile them high in a salad for a nutrient-packed, low-calorie meal. Incorporate these 5 foods, lentils, Greek yogurt, chickpeas, nuts and leafy greens into your weekly rotation, and watch how easily they help you reach your weight loss goals while keeping every meal delicious. Drop a comment and let me know which one you're most excited to try and do when you forget to like. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a Health is Wealth tip. Until next time, remember, your health is your greatest wealth.